Good morning students. Welcome to the SRPS online study. Today in EVS I will teach you chapter 11. The name of the chapter is Places in My Neighborhood. So first you tell me what is the meaning of neighborhood. Neighborhood means the places close to our house, or we can also say that nearby areas of our house. So in this chapter we will study about our nearby areas or nearby places to our house. Places close to our house make our neighborhood. Understood? There are many important places in our neighborhood. Number 1, hospital. Hospital. What is the use of hospital for us? We go to a hospital for treatment when we are ill. So it is very important place in our neighborhood, because when we are ill we go to hospital. Next, bank. Bank is also an important place for us. What is the function of bank for us? We keep our money safe in the bank. We keep our ornaments, jewelry also safe in bank lockers. So it is safe from thieves. Okay, so for safety we can keep our money and jewelry in the bank. So this is the very important function of this place. Next is school. Do you know which building is this? This is the building of a school. And what is the name of this school? This is SR Public Senior Secondary School. So first you tell me why we go to school. We go to school to study. We go to school to study, but with study we do so many things in the school. What are they? We learn activities, sports and so many other things. This picture is of police station. This is also very important place in our neighborhood. Why? Because police maintain law and order of our country. Police working at the police station. So it is very important place of our country. Next is post office. What is the function of post office for us? We can buy stamps, postcards and envelopes from the post office. We can send money, orders and telegrams to our family and friends. So post office is also an important place for us. We can send our money and letters through post office to our family. Okay. Next is bus stand. Have you ever seen bus stand in your nearby areas? Okay, let's read what is the function of bus stand. We take bus from the bus stand, and if the bus will get late, we can wait at the bus stand. Next is park. What is the use of park for us? We go to a park to play and relax also. When we go into a park, we feel very relaxation. Why? Because there are so many greenery, so many playing kids are there. We can walk there, we can exercise there, we can enjoy each and every moment in the park. So thank you, students.